Good afternoon, everyone. It is May the 7th in 2026. This is the first week in May, the first week back from Golden Week. We haven't studied for a couple of weeks, but we should all be in good shape now. Okay, let's take a look at what I want you to do. There isn't that much for you to do. Today, we're going to look at this Quizlet set, similar to the set that we did before last week. We'll be practicing that in pairs. And you have two pieces of work to do for the week. First one is your vocabulary quiz. This vocabulary quiz will be on Unit 3 and 4. And Unit 3 and 4 is the set that we studied last week on April 23rd. That was Unit 3 and 4. We studied that the week before. That will be the content of vocabulary quiz number 2. You have a reflection. This one is from your textbook. So what I want you to do is read section 35, 36. There's a reading there. It's in a gray color. Read it and answer this question. What do you find most difficult about having a conversation in Japanese with someone you don't know well? Write that down on a piece of paper, take a picture, send that up to me here. Okay? So not too much, but don't forget there's the vocabulary quiz. That is due on May 13th. So almost a week until it's due, sorry. You can take it 3 times. Moodle will record your best score. Okay? Now for this week, the Quizlet set is in our Moodle. So very soon we're going to be going to it over here. Let me open it right now. And it's ComSpot Business 2, Units 5 and 6. Okay? Now, if you have any questions about any of this, don't forget, you can always use my email here at this point, jdmcruise@gmail.com, or just come talk to me in class. Thanks very much, everybody. Let's have a good class.